Steffi here. It's time to talk. Today is hiking day with the girls. We are 3 today because the other one's in the South Island. But look at this. Have a look. Isn't it beautiful? This really fills your cup. It is definitely good for your soul. It recharges your batteries. And when you're here, you actually stay in the moment. You enjoy the moment. You hear the birds. You can smell it. Look at this. I had to share this with you. Isn't it beautiful? When was the last time you've been hiking? Maybe it's time to give it another go. Love you. Bye.